Hey there, my little explorers. It's me, Willy the Blue Whale, and I'm so excited you're here. We're going on a super fun adventure today, diving deep, deep, deep down into my ocean home. And guess what? We're learning all about the alphabet along the way. Are you ready to sing, dance, and make some new fishy friends? I know I am. Let's splash into the big blue and get started. Wow, look, it's an angelfish.
A is for angelfish.
Can you say Bubbles?
B is for bubbles. Pop, pop, pop.
Hey there, Mr. Crab.
C is for crab. He has so many legs.
Woohoo! D is for dolphin. They're amazing swimmers. E is for eel. He's so long and wiggly. Look at all the colorful fish. F is for fish. This little guy is a goldfish. G is for goldfish. Peekaboo! H is for hermit crab. He has a shell house. Brr! It's cold. I is for iceberg. J is for jellyfish. It looks like a wobbly friend. Kelp forests are so cool. K is for kelp. L is for lobster. He has big claws. M is for manatee. They're like big, gentle sea cows. N is for narwhal. He has a long, pointy tusk. Wow! An octopus. O is for octopus. He can change colors. P is for penguin. They waddle on land but swim like pros. Q is for quahog. It's a type of clam. R is for ray. Look at him glide through the water. S is for seahorse. He's so tiny and cute. T is for turtle. He has a hard shell to protect him. U is for urchin. Don't touch, his spines are prickly. V is for viperfish. He looks a little scary. And I'm Willy the Whale. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. We can see his bones. Y is for yellow tang. He's bright like the sun. Z is for zebrafish.
He has stripes like a zebra.
Wow, we did it! We swam all around, met amazing creatures, and learned our ABCs. Thank you so much for joining me on this fin-tastic adventure. It wouldn't have been the same without you. Remember, my little explorers, keep learning and exploring every day. Now, before you go, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you had fun, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on our ocean adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.